said that we decided to get some 3-inch limestone, and this may be the first video that I post with the new excavator that we just got. It's a Hitachi 35U. It's pretty nice. It's got a cab, heat and air. It's a little bit bigger than the Yanmar that we had. But it's got plenty more power. So we're putting down 3-inch here first because it's just terrible. Terrible. Here in a little bit I'll show you off to the side here. It's just sunk in so much. What I did earlier is I scraped off quite a bit of crushed concrete, what we had on it to begin with, and ever since the snow started melting, it's just turned to slop. So we're trying this. Hopefully, I think this will probably take care of the problem for quite a while. I'll leave this at least 6 inches thick. I got another load coming up inch. So I gotta kind of hurry and get this done before he shows up. The next load. My other camera went dead. I didn't have time to get it charged up before getting out here and getting this done. So we're using the head cam today. Yeah, that's not going to work very well. I think what I'll do, room to swing. Get this smoothed out quite a bit, and then I can use the blade. Let's see what else about this. It's a 2013. It's got a thumb, hydraulic thumb, and I also got a frost ripper tooth and a ditch bucket, 36-inch ditch bucket, which I wish was here, but they had to order it in. That would come in handy for this job. Been posting a whole lot on the channel lately. Just been busy with other things and haven't really done much tractor work or digging and stuff, so, but the weather's starting to turn around, so we'll have some more projects to do. I did end up getting a Land Pride 16-foot mower for the 20 or the 4052 John Deere. So I got the rear hydraulic kit ordered, and I started filming putting that on. It adds a 4th and 5th valve on the back, but I got a little less than halfway through installing it, and not all the parts are there. It's one of the linkage lines that goes from the control in the cab down to the selective valve. They only sent one instead of two, and I don't really understand how that happened, but I called them, and they are supposed to be ordering it, and should be in 3 to 5 days. Luckily, I don't really need it right away, but it would have been nice to have it when I was installing it, so that I didn't have to take the rear tire off again, which it's not really that much fun. But I'll finish filming that when it shows up. Surprised at how much more power this has for pushing with the blade than that Yanmar. Well, the Yanmar was decent, but this one's quite a bit better. And I think the arm's a little bigger on this one. It's got auto idle down, so that when you don't, like if you hop out of the cab to go do something like if you're digging a trench and you're putting a pipe in or something and you got to get down in there real quick, you just hop out and it'll idle itself down. It's to save on fuel. Start using the blade. adjust the strap. It's too tight on my head. There we go. That's a little bit better. Yeah, see, the throttle's already up. Now when I move the controls, it'll idle back up. Spin around. I don't want to get a bunch of rocks caught up in the tracks here. Maybe I should have got 2 loads of this bigger stuff. Maybe I was going to have to use a tractor to do all this, but it seems to be doing pretty well. Pushing it. It goes a little bit faster than scooping and dumping. I'm not sure. Some of this back in so I don't lose it.